Hello kids, today we will going to have another lesson. Are you ready to listen? Okay, that's good to hear. Our lesson for today is about divisibility rules for 2, 5, and 10 to find the common factors of numbers. Okay, are you ready? Question number 1. What do you mean by divisibility? Number 2, what do you mean by divisible by? And what do you mean by divisibility rules? So let us discuss these three questions. When we say divisible by, it is when you divide one number by another number and the result is a whole number. It means there is no remainder. Okay? And divisibility rules tells whether a number is exactly divisible by another number. The rule is a shortcut way to decide whether is exactly divisible without doing division computation. For divisibility rule number 2, we have our rule here. So our first example is 456. Take note the number ends with 6. It says that if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, it is divisible by 2. Since 456 ends with 6, therefore, it is divisible by 2. Another examples, 178, 26, 78, and 206. These are example of numbers that is divisible by 2. This time, let's have the practice. So we have here our directions. Put a check on the column to identify whether each number is divisible by 2. Write your answer in your notebook. So our first number is 548. Number 2, 912. Number 3, 270. Number 4, 565. And number 5, we have 168. Let's move on with divisibility rule number 5. So, when are we going to say that the number is divisible by 5? It says here that if the number ends with 5 and 0, it is divisible by 5. So let's have an example here. 425. This number ends with 5. Therefore, 425 is divisible by 5. This time, let's have the practice number 2. Put a check on the column to identify whether each number is divisible by 5. Write your answers on your notebook. For our first number is 545. Number 2, 912. Number 3, 270. Number 4, 565. And number 5, we have 168. Okay, for divisibility rule number 10, it says here that if the number ends with 0 and 10, it is divisible by 10. Our example here is 1080. It ends with 0, therefore, it is divisible by 10. And for our practice number 3, put a check on the column to identify whether each number is divisible by 10. Write your answers on your notebook. For our number 1, we have 255. It ends with 5. Do you think 255 is divisible by 10? Number 2, we have 450. The number ends with 0. And number 3, we have 710. This number ends with 10. And number 4, we have 125. The number ends with 5. And number 5, we have 346. The number ends with 6. This time, let's have an activity. Copy the table in your notebook. Place a check mark in the appropriate column to show whether each number is divisible by 2, 5, or 10. Write your final answers neatly in your notebook. And for our first given, the number is 1540. The number ends with 0. Is it divisible by 2, by 5, or by 10? Number 2, we have 111,918. It ends with 8. Is it divisible by 2, or by 5, or by 10? Number 3, we have 10,275. The number ends with 5. Is it divisible by 2, by 5, or divisible by 10? And for number 4, we have 564. It ends with 4. Is it divisible by 2? How about by 5? By 10? And for our number 5, we have 16,710. It ends with 10. It is divisible by 2, or by 5, or by 10. This time, you will going to answer the questions on your notebook. Number 1 is, do you have any techniques on how to identify if the number is divisible or not? Number 2, what are the rules that could help you to find out if the number is divisible or not? And number 3, how are you going to identify if the number is divisible by 2, 5, or 10? So write your answers on your notebook. Remember, divisibility rules tells whether a number is exactly divisible by other numbers. For divisibility rule number 2, if the number ends with 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8, therefore it is divisible by 2. And if the number ends with 0 and 5, the number is divisible by 5. And if the number ends with 0 and 10, the number is divisible by 10. Kindly write these notes on your notebook. And your last activity, write a persuasive paragraph on the importance of divisibility rules in everyday life. Good job, kids. So that's all for today. Stay safe, everyone.